Hey, welcome back. Welcome to day 2 of the annual yard cleanup. We're out here checking the kiln first thing. It's been running all night. Check it out. We'll go ahead and dump this now and keep an eye on it. Do it again later today. Pick up right where we left off yesterday out there with a rake, filling that trailer full of bark. Welcome back to logfurnitureHowto.com. Alright, so you can see we got our trailer back in here by our mill. And it's time to get over here and start digging out. We got a foot, every bit of a foot worth of sawdust piled up underneath here. Check this out. So we got to dig all this out and get it loaded in the trailer here before it freezes, before winter sets in. So we got a lot to do here. Check it out. It's like a sandy beach, just like a sandy beach, man. Sawdust beach. Here too. Get our hydraulics up off the ground. You can actually see my axle under there, man. I forgot this thing had leaf springs. Let's keep going. Man, it's a little more like digging out after a snowstorm, guys. This stuff is packed. Thing's about 7 foot tall. Strap this thing down, but see, we still gotta finish this. We got one big pile left here and room here to get it. So guys, I got you gotta see this, man. Got my last two scoops. I got one full trailer. What I know is I gotta unload this by hand. So I'm gonna be out there a while, but I got a little bit left here. We gotta clean you up.